Daddy.
Here. Let's see who can. Come on back, Eliza. Come on back, Eliza. All right, you can turn around and go the other way? Let's go the other way. Hey man, can you go to the other side? Go to your bedroom. So she goes that way and we'll catch her going the other way. Oh, where's your sister going? Where's your sister going? Go to your sister.
Go back towards that way.
Come on, Eliza Wren. Woohoo! Towards the finish line she comes.
She comes there. Can we do that again? Can I be right in the middle? Daddy, can I hold a camera? Daddy, can I hold a camera?
No, we're just gonna leave her here on the floor. Eliza, where are you going?
Are you going? Now we go in the bathroom. Go in the bathroom. Look at the tub. Look at the tub. Oh, look at the tub. I'm gonna get over that. No, right now. I'm sorry. Go in the bathroom. Look at them.
Here she comes.
Looking at the bathtub.
Hey, Eliza Wren. Hey, where are you going? Oh, what'd you find? Did you find something? You want to come show us? Oh. Want to smile for the camera?
Go in the bathroom. Look at that.
Eliza Wren.